What's the meaning of artesian well? Artesian well. Artesian well.
Artesian well. Artesian well. An artesian well is a type of well that taps into a confined aquifer, which is an underground layer of permeable rock, sand, or gravel containing water. Due to the confined nature of the aquifer, the water in an artesian well is under pressure and, when drilled into, flows freely to the surface without requiring pumping. This results in a consistent and reliable supply of water, making artesian wells a popular choice for agricultural irrigation, municipal water supply, and private household use.